more than I bargained for or prepared to take out and enlarge my Budliah. Look. Oh dear. Sorry to disturb you. I think I'll go for a swim first and deal with you later. Now look at this. This is more than I can chew. I think I need to relocate that pot somewhere else. It's so mega. This is a massive anthill inside that old pot. I need to relocate when I finally put it in a bigger pot, because they're not gonna leave. Here's my Budliah. Oh, I'm full, covered with ants now. So intricate. Really exciting. And look at these, all the eggs. Oh dear, I disturbed them.